for departure.
1401. That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C3PO.
1401, clear for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 1400.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it.
Stop right there.
Don't you?
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
She's a spy and a traitor to the First Order. Be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Star Tours, what are you doing here? Then stay close. If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? Martin, what are you doing here?
Well, sir, it all began.
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
The spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we should... This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Hold on, Parker! Hold on!
All pilots, this is it.
No, right, Archie. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You've got 2 ties on your tail.
Archie, the odds of successfully taking out 2 typewriters at once is approximately... Enter the right zone. Well done.
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been a moment.
SD-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I hope you have enjoyed your flight and... Okay, back to radio.
Hey, that's my ship. I want to explain it now.
Thank you for joining us. Look forward to seeing you on another night.
You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.